Images can be added to Snags, and once added, these images can be tagged as initial state or current state images to keep track of the issue when it was noted and once it was repaired. The images can be photos of the issue, the materials, or the work being done, whatever you decide needs to be noted down and what needs to be shared with the owner, architect, or tradespeople. To add images, go to the Images and Media tab in the Snag record page and click on the Click to Upload Images section. You can then either drag and drop photo files to this box or click on it to bring up the file search box. Select the images you want to upload to the Snag and then click the Upload button. The image will be added to the section below, showing you a thumbnail of the image and the details, as well as a series of tags and buttons to download, edit, or delete the image. You can edit the name of the file by clicking the Edit button, changing the name, and clicking Save. We recommend that you do this so finding the images later is easy.